Trade ideas. Arvi is going to share his analysis on ROKU, which is negative. Take it away, Arvi.
Hello, this is Arvi Ramachandran. In this video, what we're going to do is walk through an intermediate term short in ROKU. Now, this is the weekly cycle analysis that we have for ROKU. First thing I want to highlight is this really clear double top that formed off of this just meteoric run on the upside. You can see these two equal highs. And then what happened is we formed a low right here that was very close to that old low, had a very weak rally, and then formed a nasty left-hand translation here where the high formed early in that cycle. And as you can see, we sold off for the rest of that cycle. Ever since that point, we have just been mired in this trading range. However, inside of this range, there obviously have been some solid opportunities. So let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit here. And I want to highlight one that we are seeing right now in ROKU. Now, first thing you will note is that we did form our low basically right on time here, as we had a low that was due 925 to 1023. We then turned up sharply, and you can see we have now seen some failures right here around this 101 half area and are now curling back on the downside there as well on our weekly reversal scout. And what that says now is that we are very likely in this intermediate term corrective period with a low that is only due 219 to 41. On the downside, we are looking for a move towards 75.79 to 66.88 into that key weekly cycle timing window. If we shift over to the daily time frame, you will see what's happening here on the short term. So there have been actually fairly clear longer cycles here in ROKU, and what this looks like at this point is also a short term now left-hand translation where we just had a 1-bar rally and are pulling back. And you will see right now we have a bearishly configured both slim ribbon and daily reversal scout as well. So the core bias on the short term is now firmly pointed down. So what are we looking for? We are looking for a bear flag to form and then for this to turn back down into this low, which is due 126.227. On the upside, you can see our levels right here. It's at 94.55 to 97.28. That's where we are watching for this to fail in. If this closes above 100 on a daily basis, that would render this idea no longer valid, and we're looking for a move down into this 50 to the 61.8 fib, which is this darker green area, and that's 81.93 to 75.58. The risk on this idea is right around 540, and we are looking for a move of at least 1250 or so on the downside. So this is what we do for every one of our trade ideas. We walk through our logic in a video so you can see why we have the levels we do and what we are looking for in terms of the price action moving forward.